Chisom, I had a dream about you last night.
What kind of dream, Mama?
You were in trouble. An angry mob wanted to set you on fire.
Ha! Set me on fire? Mama, why? I don't look for anybody's trouble. Who wants to set me on fire?
I know. I tried everything possible to save you. But they overpowered me and took me away before setting you on fire.
Mama, God forbid. Which one is setting me on fire?
Amen.
Why are you even saying it with you? I cancel it. In the name of Jesus, I bind it.
Amen.
Mama.
I have already prayed. When I woke up, I prayed fervently about it. But I'm telling you, so you be careful. Be extremely careful. No, you're the only one I have left since your daddy.
But Mama, you know the kind of job I do now. You know the kind of job I do. I don't look for anybody's trouble. I'm always minding my business. So this is just a dream. It's not happening. God will continue to protect me for you. Yeah?
Amen.
It's just a dream. It's a dream.
Amen.
Mama, please, did you cook? Mama? Mama, what are my bags doing outside?
Because you no longer live here.
What are you talking about, Mama?
Ujunwa, I said you no longer live here. Go out there, pack those bags, leave before night meets you here.
Mama, it's a cook case again. No, it's a cook case again. Is this a joke or something? How can you be asking me to leave my father's house for doing what now? What did I do?
Uju, I am asking you to go out there and fend for yourself.
But I have been fending for myself.
Uju, you cannot be uselessing yourself in this village. See, let it be known to you that from now on, you are no longer with me. Go to that restaurant that you prefer over your education and leave.
Mama, so this thing now, you want to frustrate me now because I refuse to go to school. No, all these things you're doing now because I refuse to go to school. Mama, tell me, all those people that went to that school and graduated there, do they wear the kind of cap that I'm wearing? Do they dress the way I'm dressing right now? We find the Chemuno in London. Just tell me now, Mama. What is the difference?
What if you did onion in London with Songoma? Just look at yourself.
Mama, tell me, do they even speak the kind of English I speak?
Can you English in as Ujunwa? Can you walk it back?
But I'm walking back on easy.
If rocket
I'm not walking back, Mama. I don't walk it back.
You don't walk it back.
I know you're joking, no. I'm not going anywhere.
Ujunwa, I am not joking with you. Because before you know it now, you say, Mommy, you are sending your only daughter away. Ujunwa, I prefer not to have a child than to have a dullard like you. You can go admit that you're useless or whatever you call her, Madam Good. So she can become your mother. But on a second thought, since you no longer listen to me and you have decided or chosen to do whatsoever you like with your life, Ujunwa. But anyway, if you want to continue living in this house, then before you know it, you call it a waketake house. One will go and pay me house rent. Bam.
I should do what, Mama?
One will go and pay house rent.
I should pay you house rent in your father's house.
Which father's house?
You know what, Mama? I know where you're heading at. I just remembered something. It just took me a second to connect all the dots. That connect to come the waketake. Mama, I know what you are doing. You because you think I'm fasting. Yes, I am fasting. What you're doing now, you're trying to tempt me. You're trying to know what I'm going to do. You want to know my reaction. Because it is even written in the Bible that when a son of God is fasting, that temptations are bound to come. But let me tell you something, Mama, you will not get my reaction. No, you will not get it. I jump and pass. You see those things in front of the house? I'm going to get them inside my father's house. I am not going anywhere. Shut up! Why am I in the jail? Shut up! You don't go. Come on, you just say I can get Dikeh today because I'm not going to feel now.
Uju, you don't want to fasting.
Yes, now.
Oh no, Dikeh. Oh no, Dikeh, you fasting. Can you even stay 1 minute without eating? You don't want to in between meals.
Mama, come
you never fasting.
I don't know what they're talking about.
Hey, the boy never fasting.
I just broke it. I'm not
break it.
I'm not going anywhere.
Waketake fasting.
Mama, I'm not fasting.
Hey, come back here. I'm not joking with you. Those loads outside, pick them, leave, or pay me house rent, Uju.
I'm not able to give you.
I'm not joking, though.
You just left baby.
Uju?
This house. Why would I leave this house? I won't come to my again.
Uju, you leave this house, so I'm not playing with you. Uju.
And if I like to be my walkie talkie faster, I will not take it from you.
If you even now, walkie talkie.
I will take it from you.
Oh, sister, go you motor na this village. Go to school, number. Jago number. Ina waya ile walkie talkie tackle go onwogu. No we are called.
Hey! What happened? Yes, we are finished. I knew it. This is Kenny. The bastard son of the eagle set us up. My instincts has always been right. I didn't want to get involved. I didn't want to get involved at all from the onset. But you two, especially this one. This walkie-talkie woman, you kept pushing me. Now you see where you landed us into. No, you see what you've landed us into.
Can you girls just stop this?
You better find a way to pull us out.
We will come out of this.
Come out how? Every time you come out, I don't understand how. You heard her.
Girls, stop it.
How?
We will pull through. We will come out of this. All we need to do is to be positive.
Positive Bugwegi there. I don't care about your positivity or whatever you are talking right now. My own is my precious poor mother. My poor mother. I don't want her to die of heartbreak. When I get happy here, I will die. Can you stop this mockery attitude inside this place? Oh, you are still speaking English. No, you still have mouth. You still have mouth. What is even wrong with you? You can stop it.
Sorry, girls, for the little break I took. I was so hungry, so I went to get myself something to eat. How are you doing with the evidence right before you?
What stupid evidence are you even talking about?
No, what stupid evidence? You merely saw us coming out from a hotel. What does that have to do with you keeping us inside this tacky-wacky stinking place? It's not conducive for us when we can't breathe well.
You think this is all we have on you? No, my dear. You are going in for this, so don't stress it. The evidence are overwhelming. I can assure you that.
For what? No, madam, for what? What did they talk, Seth? What did they talk? Madam, please, I use God beg you. I am begging you in the name of God. I need my phone. I need my phone because I need to call my lawyer. I need to get out of this place. I need now. What is wrong with you?
Yes, at least our lawyer.
Our phone.
Let's talk for Jesus.
Yes.
There is a particular footage that was taken with you and the commissioner. But for clarity's sake, I'll go get a video of little haste you girls pulled off with commissioner so that your brain will fall in line. Then you will realize how fucked up you girls are.
Mrs. I know it all. Tell me what you mean again by we should stay positive. How does it sound? The footage.
Can you stop it? Yes, it was very obvious that the commissioner's son set us up. He planted a camera, videoed us, made us look like the criminals, whereas he is the mastermind. We will still pull you out of this. Let's keep our heads together and know how to come out of this, please. Stop all this dotry potry. I told you I don't like this kind of
I hear that thing, if I hear jokeri pokeri from your mouth, if I hear it again, if I hear it again,
speak to her.
I should not say that keep up with my mouth again. I did not stop. Maintain the silence now. I did not. Hey, Chibo.
Today is tomorrow of yesterday. Today is tomorrow of yesterday.
Not connecting. Her number is not connecting. I wonder where she kept her phone. Or maybe she's busy at her working place.
Oh, that means I'll have to come back.
Just have patience. Just a little time, have patience. Oh?
I have a meeting by 4 today.
She will soon be home, oh?
I need to be there right now.
Wait, let me call her back. Ma,
Please have patience. And I don't want my daughter to miss a handsome rich man like you. Oh? I want you to be her husband.
Mama, don't worry. I'm back.
You are going already?
Yes, Mama. But just use this to get some. Okay.
All this for me?
I'm back to you.
Yay!
Yes, Mama.
Nah, thank you so much. Oh, God bless you. God bless you.
Okay, Mama.
Yeah.
Officer, please make sure those girls don't go scot-free. Please.
Not when I am still alive. I will make sure they regret the day they were abroad.
Yes. Make sure they don't get bail. Make sure those girls pay for what they stole from my father. They're idiots.
We are on it. When I finish making my underground investigation, I'll let you know and I will nail them forever.
What's the need for an investigation when you have the criminals already? Go ahead, charge them to court and prosecute them immediately.
They must be brought to book. That is sure.
Alright, let me send you some money so you can get fuel, please.
Don't worry about that. I have enough fuel in my car.
Are you sure?
Yes, thanks for your kind gestures.
Are you sure?
Very, very sure.
Oh, okay. Alright, officer. Take care.
Alright, talk with you later.
Alright. I'm waiting for a call.
No problem.
Challenges is all an opportunity for you to rise.
I wish I can tell Chika about this.
Today is tomorrow of yesterday.
And you think he's going to clap for you after hearing it. So what do you suggest I do? We are heading towards incarceration.
Tell, please, in the name of God, I'm begging you. Just do anything you know that can get us out of this place. My mother must not find me here, please. I'm begging you, don't listen to her. Just do what you know that. At this door, do not take any advice from this girl. Please. I'm begging you.
I just need my phone. It's just my phone. Come and take me out of this tacky-wacky place.
Okay.
If you mention that tacky-wacky again, don't even try it, oh. I'm talking about the serious matter. You're telling me tacky-wacky. Don't be distracted. Take it with your brain. My phone. How are we going to get my phone? That wicked woman.
So I'm very hungry. Come on, go to my dad. I see. Go. Hi. Welcome, madam. Welcome.
Please. Where is my daughter?
You must be a Tell's mother, right?
Yes. Where is she? I've been expecting her home.
Ma, she was arrested.
Arrested?
Priscilla. What? Huh? She needs to know the truth. You shouldn't have said it that way to her. Eh? She needs to know where her child is. Ma, she's at the police station over a crime she possibly committed.
She was arrested while working here?
Yes, ma. She was.
What is your problem? What is wrong with you?
Ma, she's at the police station. I will advise you to go to the police station to verify over a crime she committed. So please, just go to the police station and check for your child. She's not here.
Arrested?
Okay, no. Go. Ma, go now.
Arrested? My daughter arrested? You one more. Arrested?
Hey, one guy. Your man to put into place. Hey, I beg. One guy, they rap tag. Go and look for your child at the police station.
Go.
Madam Good, or whatever your name is. I don't know the shady business you are doing at your restaurant that attracted the police to come and arrest my daughter. You go there and bring my daughter back. Go and bring my daughter.
Shut up! Are you mad? Now listen and listen clearly. The next time you bring this your dirty, lousy body to my shop, my business area to cast me and my business, that will be the day you exist last on this planet Earth. Are you mad? Something wrong with your stupid head. Are you stupid to come here to yell at me. Who are you? One stupid village market woman. You open your mouth to talk to me like that? Madam Gold, you're talking to like this.
Madam Gold, go and bring my daughter back for me. Go and bring my daughter back. What is she doing at the police station?
When you get to the police station, they will tell you.
Get out. I should get out?
Yes, leave my business premises.
Well, obviously, this is not my house. Of course, I will go. I will go to the police station. And trust me, if they refuse to bring out my daughter, to release my daughter for me, I will come back for you. I will deal with you, you useless woman. Irresponsible woman like you. I will deal with you, Madam Gold.
Of your daughter, and
You useless woman.
She's walking and says,
irresponsible woman like you.
Get out!
I will get back to you.
Silly. I don't blame you. Your daughter and her friends will pay for betraying me. Silly. If rock all day,
Edo, I came in as soon as I got your call. My colleagues already told me what happened, and I've read your case file. How could you do such a thing?
I'm so sorry, Chike. I'm very sorry. Please, can you get us out of here, please?
Edo, you're telling me to get you out of here. Do you know the enormity of the crime you committed?
I know. We've done it already. We are looking for solution. We need to get out of here. We need to get to the person that sent us on this mission.
Get to the person that sent you on this mission. And who's that person?
The commissioner's son.
The commissioner's son? My God, Edo, who doesn't know that guy as a very responsible young man? How could you allow him to deceive you and destroy you?
No, I don't know, but you have to help us. As you can see, we are helpless. You're my only hope. You have to do something, please.
I should do something? What do you expect me to do? He is the commissioner's son, for Christ's sake.
Yes, let's just move out of this place. We need to clear our names. We need it. He's with the wristwatch and he collected it without giving us anything. We need to go and meet him. Please, you have to help us.
Edo, this is not going to be an easy task. I hope you know that. If you think it's going to be a very easy task, then...
It's not possible.
Edo, we are talking about the commissioner's son here.
But it is possible. But I know you can still do something about it. That is why I called you. So do something. It is possible. You can do it.
It is possible.
Shame on you girls. Shame upon all your smartness, upon all your high-handedness. You all are going to end up in jail for a very long time. You went behind my back to struck a deal, thinking I'm not going to find out. And here we are. I told you girls that we were going to have this conversation again. And here we are. What a deja vu. What goes around comes around.
Ma'am, the truth is that we all wanted to tell you, but we are just scared that you might be mad at us.
Yes.
And I'm mad at you girls. I am very cross at you girls. Because I am not going to approve of the business. Do you know what it means doing a business with this dishonest idiot? Vagabond like the commissioner's son.
Hey!
He knew I wasn't going to approve of it. That was why he had to go behind my back to go meet you girls, because he knew you were all going to fall for his mischief and wickedness. What a pity. Shame! Look at where you all ended. In police custody, in the interrogation room. That means you people are already tagged criminals.
Forgive us, we are sorry. It wasn't the intention of Madam Food. You know, we were serving you with our hearts.
Anyways, enjoy your remaining days in prison. The next time you come, if you have the opportunity of coming back through reincarnation, you will stay away from anything that has to do with betrayal.
No, I'm sorry. We are here.
You are our last hope, Madam God. Madam God, please, you are our last hope. Please. I am all my mother have hope. Please. There is someone else.
Oh, please.
Why?
You're asking me why? Oh, wait a minute. Are you seriously asking me why? For real?
No, I am lost here.
Don't tell me it's because of the 500,000 naira you asked me for that I'm not giving you. I don't want to touch you and you don't want to touch me.
Babe, you're not being fair to me. You're not. It's already 1 week you promised me that money. Up till now, nothing has been done. Nothing. And you want me to be happy.
Come on. You know, I've been very busy. A lot has been happening of late and I've been running around trying to make sure I don't lose customers in the shop.
You have been very busy.
I've been very busy.
Always
Please, I am
busy
sorry.
for me. Samuel, your sugar boy, always busy for me. Good night.
Stop now. Why you do shakara like that? Shakara is too much. Do you know I can give you 1 million naira here and now? Just right here. It's like you don't know me. Put your details here.
Babe, can I ask you something?
Put your details, Joel.
Why do you like stressing me each time I ask you for something? Why?
I'm not stressing, just that I've been very busy.
Exactly what you're doing. Why?
Put your details now.
It's because of love. If not, I won't put it.
The shakara is too much.
I'm a fine boy now.
Are you the only two fine boy in this town? Exactly 1 million. Just put 1 million naira.
1 million naira. See, after the whole stress.
You asked for 500 and I gave you 1 million.
So why are you so excited this morning, Cecilia?
Hey,
what's going on? Gist me.
I am glad God has finally taken my enemies away from you. At least now grace will locate me. My style.
Shy. Hey, no what? So you mean those girls were the one hindering your blessings?
I don't understand. Those girls were not a blessing to mankind. Though. I am glad they are finally out of my way.
Well, I feel pity for them because spending years in imprisonment is very depressing as a youth. And I wonder what their parents will be doing by now. I really feel pity for them.
See, I don't feel any pity for those girls. I don't understand you. Those girls will not send you now. You can't dare they talk about them. Madam, I don't feel pity for them. At least Madam God has seen what I've been seeing before. She'll send them away.
This is not funny. This is not funny, honestly. You might not feel pity, but I feel pity for them. Forget it. Forget it. My friend, forget.
I'm happy, yo. Hi. At least my style now will shine.
I'm gonna do.
Grace will locate
I'm
me.
gonna do. I'm gonna do. It's well.
Priscilla, let me get something straight here. You mean Ujuma, my daughter, was arrested?
Yes, ma'am. She was involved in a shady business. She's at this police station as we speak right now. She's there.
How? My God. My God. Eh? I said it that this girl will put herself in trouble one day. And it has happened. Eh? I wonder those nonsense, useless job you people do for that stupid Madam Gold or whatever she calls herself. But she wouldn't listen. Eh? I want her to get educated and be useful to herself in this community. She wouldn't listen. Biko eh? All restaurants or wakaraka. Eh?
Wow. I thought I should let you know because you'll be wondering where she is right now. And she might spend time there. Huh? Ma, I want to go because I want to prepare for work. I'm running late before Madam Go start looking for me. Please. Okay, ma'am, I'm leaving.
Name, you did well, eh? Thank you very much. Hey. Hey! Uju? Anyway, no matter how long you spend in that police cell, your feet will never step into this house again. And your mother said that. Go and come back, but your feet will not step into this house again.
fast. Because I don't know. And I don't want to see that nonsense, stupid, loud mouth woman, that tattoo woman. Very stupid. Because the person say she was so contented how she take the brush. And they tell you how she take the drink Milara. Cold Milara. How she take chop. Very nonsense woman. You girls are free to go. The order came from above. But be rest assured that this is not over yet. I must surely get to the root of this.
I beg, my shoe, my phone, my phone. See my eye.
Seriously, whoever that sought to this our freedom needs to be recorded. In fact, we should be thanking the person. We owe the person our he or she our lives. Gratitude ought to.
Honestly, let it not be who I'm thinking.
Could that be?
Maybe Chike.
Chike. Why? Which one is Chike? What is bringing Chike to this one?
Maybe that your police boyfriend when no get left.
I beg, see, you must be joking. Chike should better not know about this matter. Because if he does, that means we are going back into that place, and you know that. I know what I'm telling you. Ha. What is bringing Chike into this matter now?
Hi, baby.
What is wrong with you now? Why are you running?
Hi, sweetheart.
Hi, honey. Hello, ladies.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, happy freedom.
Thank you.
It's good to have you guys back.
You did it. Like, you did.
Oh my goodness, thank you.
Hey, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, baby. You know I care about you a lot and I want the best for you. It was not really an easy task bringing you guys out, but I'm happy I did. Money exchanged hands. But it's good to have you guys back.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, my love.
You're welcome, my love. And ladies, I don't know what got you guys into this mess, but please, I want you guys to be very careful next time, okay? You have to keep your tracks very clean and make sure you be very careful, because the same persons that threw you guys in jail still want you guys to go back, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my darling.
I really appreciate it.
I've missed you so much, baby.
I missed it too.
Babe, please make sure you're very careful, okay? I don't want you back there, okay?
Okay.
All right, ladies, I have a meeting to catch up with. See you guys later.
Okay.
Please
Bye.
be careful, ladies.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
I told you so.
What is it? How come we skip that?
Oh, baby, bye.
Eh? As you be Olofo for so, as you be confirm Olodo so, person no will not say you get sense to get this kind of fiber, but now you never marry her since. Who be Olodo? Me Olodo. I beg for marriage. No even mention that thing. No even try am. Who want marry me? AJ baby for life. Marry Jay-Z body. Marry.
Listen,
No,
don't nobody got time about whether you want to settle down now or you don't want to. You want to remain single forever. That's your business. But the most important thing, hear it.
You gotta know.
He said you have to be very, very careful. Did you hear it?
No, did you hear it?
Did you hear it?
Did you hear it?
I know what I'm asking you.
No, I'm asking you. Did you hear it? You see that? You see what I'm saying?
Did you hear it?
Especially
Did she hear it?
Don't point at me, especially you.
No.
Did she hear it? She doesn't know.
Because very soon you'll be shouting what is that
You know, I am did you hear it? Tired of this jockey party attitude. And did you get tired of it? You are kind of up to this.
You are speaking.
We are still near police station.
Did you hear it?
We are still near
I don't want
police
to go
station.
back to jail with you people.
I think that until this girl changes this shoe, she will only carry course. And
You can feel that brought that
change
cost.
that shoe.
If you feel, in fact, I am going. You can stay here.
How did I end up here?
Adam, the news everywhere is that you were arrested for a crime you committed.
Crime, Mama? I did not commit any crime. I don't know what you are talking about. Don't be listening to people and they are too much cho. No evidence.
Omalicham, please tell me the truth. Apart from the restaurant business you are doing for Madam Gold, what else do you do?
Hey! Oh, where are this coming from? I work as a sales girl only for her. Nothing else. Why are you asking me all these questions? Oh, you are believing them?
Baka, you are the only hope I have. You are the only hope I have in this whole world. You can't afford to put us to shame. Please don't put this family name to shame.
And that is what I'm
Do
doing.
not dishonor your father. Your late father. Bikonu.
Mama, please, don't start at all. I'm not in the mood for all this. I just want to have a hot shower. Please. What's all this? Oh, okay. If I am guilty as accused, why did they release me? Why are they not holding me? Will I not supposed to be at the police cell by now? Why am I here? Am I not sitting here with you? Are you listening to outsiders instead of me, your daughter? All this they are cho without any evidence to back it up. You are listening to them. Stop falling for it. I am here with you. It's what I say that you should be believing, not what outsiders tell you. Mama, please.
I heard they are out.
Which people?
Uju and the rest, of course.
What are you saying? People that are still in prison. They are not yet out.
You mean, no? So you actually want them to spend their life in imprisonment?
Exactly. That is what they deserve.
Eh? Ha. Why they are out?
Like I said, they are not out. They are still in prison.
Ngwanu, go to the police station. Go and verify it yourself.
What are you saying? These people are still in prison. There is much evidence that those people are guilty. And they are not leaving the prison anytime soon.
Well, police people will be in the right position to answer you that question. They are out. And I'm happy because they did not end up in jail.
You're happy?
It's a bomb, madam. Please, let's go and get ready for work.
Wait a minute. I want to get something clear. You mean they arrested you because you said no to his proposal?
Mama, that is it though. That was how I saw it.
Hey!
Honestly, Mama, I was shocked when police came to the restaurant and arrested my girls and I. Honestly, I was seriously shocked.
Hey! Alone, so it has gone to the level of police going around arresting girls, harassing them, forcing them to marry them.
It's crazy. Very crazy, Mama.
Oh my goodness. I am so angry right now. I am going to write a petition against. Yes, I'm going to do that. Why are you looking at me that way?
Mama, it hasn't gotten to that now. It hasn't gotten to that. Calm down. He actually apologized. Yes, he did. And promised never to disturb me again. So there's no need for a petition, okay?
My daughter, you don't understand. You don't understand. Do you know the trauma I went through? Looking for you, I was so worried whether something has happened to you. Do you know to the extent of going to that stupid woman called Madam Gold to go and ask of you? Yes, now?
You went to Madam Gold's
Yes!
parents?
There's no type of insult that this woman did not give to me. I was embarrassed. Oh Jesus. This woman insulted me, disgraced me. Me, as in there. Hey!
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. I understand your pains, but just let it go, okay?
I should let it go?
Mama, let it go. The important thing is that I'm back. Oh, Bomo being here. I'm back.
You better resign from that woman shop. You better resign from this job you are doing.
Please don't start.
In as much as this their clothes is very fine, but you have to resign.
Please, Mama, just go in there. I need to eat. I'm very hungry and I'm tired.
You are very hungry.
Mama, I'm hungry. Somebody just said, oh man, they're hungry. I am hungry. I just got back, so give me food. Please.
Mama, this is the money.
Count it.
Okay.
Fast now.
Okay,
Want to sleep here?
I'm doing it, Ma.
see how long it takes you to confirm some more money.
Ma'am, I'm on it, ma'am. This is 50, ma'am. Ma. They have released those criminals.
What are you talking about?
Ujo and her friends. They have been released. Can you believe that, ma?
So how does that affect me? So?
Ma.
Is it your business?
Ma, I just thought you should know. Because this is unfair. How could the police release those criminals without them facing judgment or being in prison?
Will you shut up? Shut up and mind your business. I don't know why you like to poke nose into something that doesn't affect you. I should have been the one affected. But you're even more worried than I am. I don't care whether they are released or not. All I know is that they are no longer my workers. And I don't want any of you to associate themselves with them. Else, you'll be sacked.
Yes, ma.
Mind you, buckle up. Else you join them. Yes. Get out. Shoo, get out.
Thank you, ma'am.
Baby, I'm arranging the wardrobe. I felt it's due for arrangement and retrofitting. So that was what I was doing before you came in.
Ah, that's so thoughtful of you. Come here.
Baby, yes. Listen, we need to change this wardrobe and repaint this room to look more attractive. It's not looking nice.
And it should look sexy. And this has put me in the mood for a morning ride. Can we go for it?
Come on, baby. Don't you think it's too early for this?
There can never be a better time for riding with my sugar boy. Come here. Come, let's go.
Hey, don't. I'm in a very bad mood. Don't.
What happened?
Are you out of your senses? I'm telling you I'm not in the mood and you're asking me questions. Are you mad?
Listen, if you know you don't need me in your life again, just tell me.
Oh, like you don't know. But I tell you, I know you're here because of my money. Yes! And if you're tired of being here, you can as well use the door. There's so many other girls out there waiting to be on my bed. So get out! Nonsense. Nonsense. Asking me rubbish question. I'm not in the mood. Listen, don't even come here. Don't even come here.
Wait. Yeah, like this now you have become a wanderer. I can't believe your own mother, your mother sent you out.
I am telling you, I can't believe that one in the Bible can do such thing. Can you imagine her only child? She sent her only child to the street to go and suffer. One in Bible. Shut your mouth. Don't make chupu. Nkapia. Cho.
It serves you right.
And who told you that I'm suffering?
Look at who you are beating.
Please. No. If you want, both of you must know. I already have an apartment. A new one at that, yes. Where I am planning to move to stay away from my mother's troubles. Please. Hey, that's good news though. Yes. That means Madam Gold will not know where the thing she will suffer very soon will come from. That woman is wicked.
That is and dumb. It is my God that will punish her. Amen. I wake up every morning before brushing my mouth. I lay curses on her. Her mind will never touch ground.
Amen.
Use and dumb.
And you think it's actually going to work. Now bringing me back to what I actually wanted to tell you, dummies. Listen to me. The earlier we go and get our money back from Madam Gold and Kene, the better for all of us.
When I say that tall people don't have sense, you will think I'm insulting them.
No problem.
Look at this one. Okay. You are asking us to do what?
To collect our money back. How?
By going to threaten him again. You remember what the one we did where he landed us?
Landed us where?
Where? Jail, my sister.
And what about it? My sister, there is no way you will make money in life without risk. Listen, Madam Gold and Kene are enjoying the wristwatch. The money that we suffer to steal that watch. Have you forgotten? They are the one enjoying the money now. So why should we fold our hands and do nothing about it? Why? Think! No. I'm thinking because whenever you open your mouth, you just open it like this without you thinking before you say things. You that is saying this thing now, you just mentioned that we don't have anything. So how are we going to get our revenge? How are we going to get our money?
Very nice question.
For the first time in your miserable, pathetic life, you are asking me question like a sensible, short person. Come close, let me tell you what you need to do.
Who you want to tell what to do? No, which people should come close? You have started again. The useless advice you gave to us, you know where he landed us. Now you have come again. Girl, you will enter cell again. You will enter cell. And why are you shouting now? Not because your advices have never made any sense. It has never helped anybody before.
Calm down now.
No, you have come. Not like you have anybody you will call. You don't even have any help. All you have is mouth. So
why are you shouting?
Action time, you cannot do anything.
Why are you shouting now?
You cannot do it. Because I will not listen to you again.
Tell them.
We will not listen to you.
So why are you shouting now?
No!
Tell the whole world. Show them that you have
no right to be advising this group.
As I'm saying.
You have no right.
It is very obvious that the only thing that is giving you morale now is just nothing different. Now is that while you are vibrating like a vibrator that is just being charged fully, is because you just managed to change your shoe. No, show the whole world that you managed to change your shoe today.
Are we talking about this shoe today? To the glory of God, but you are a wanderer.
I want to show me.
You are a wanderer.
I'm a wanderer, but I have a new apartment.
You are a wanderer now. And you are moving now.
Are we moving? Are we moving?
Officer, my father traveled out of the country, and his numbers have not been going since then. How can you tell me someone gave an order to release those criminals?
I told you the order came from above.
You cannot have an order from above when my father is involved in this. What's going on?
I am as angry as you are. But nevertheless, I'll keep my eyes on them. They will not go scot-free. I promise.
Please, officer, make sure they don't go scot-free. Please.
I will.
Alright, I'll keep in touch.
Alright.
Officer, it's a good thing that I met you. You get what thing they happened for our station recently, and I don't like it.
Just calm down, okay? What is it?
Officer, some people stole and you got them arrested. And now I'm hearing that the police have released them. Why?
Young lady, let me get this right, okay? The fact that someone is arrested does not mean they are guilty, okay? Someone can be arrested based on suspicion, and if there's nothing found on them, they will let them go.
Officer, but they stole. There is evidence that they stole.
You're trying to tell me you have the evidence with you? Can you give me?
Hey, officer, no. I don't have one.
You say these persons are your friend and you've worked with them before. So why do you want them to go to jail?
Officer, I don't know them. They don't know me and I don't know them. I am only doing the proper thing that is meant to do. But officer, why are you even supporting these people? Why?
Young lady, I can see you don't know what you're saying, okay? You better leave here before I get you arrested.
Officer.
Leave now!
Officer. We should look into this matter. Look into this matter.
Good to see you again. My friend.
Who is your friend? Huh? You don't know your friend? How is work, Jare?
Work is fine, oh. How have you been now? How have you been?
As you can see, I'm very okay. How have I been? You know they there when police carry us. You're asking me, how have I been? Hey, my sister, I am very much okay. Coming from somebody that wants my downfall, asking me, how have I been?
Bakwa, I tell you, no, I never wanted your downfall. God forbid. I never wanted your downfall. Look, it was Priscilla who has been ranting to Madam, saying a lot of things, ups and downs, talking. She has been talking too much. You know I didn't do anything. I'm innocent. I always mind my business.
I have a message for Priscilla. And please help me pass that message. Tell that Priscilla that we are out. When I mean out, we are out for good. And very soon, we are going to shock her. I mean, surprise her too much. Pass my message, okay?
Little, always know that I am on your side of peace. I always want us to be at peace. You know, I'm a peaceful person.
I know, you have been the Okpana. You fetch anywhere you see.
No, now.
This is
like
peaceful.
It's good to see you again, okay?
Elton, you can go.
Pass my message, you. Very important.
I will.
Sister, you shouldn't have sent her away. Yes, sir. You shouldn't have, I shouldn't have sent her away. I shouldn't have sent her. See, Uju, my daughter, is a very big disappointment. Yes, very big disappointment. At least she has to go out to the world there and suffer. Maybe that will reset her brain. Yes. She needs to go out there and suffer and see what the world looks like. Sister, what if anything happens to her? If anything happens to her, nobody will hear all this you are saying. You don't know where at all. You shouldn't have. Would you not following me to work? Isn't enough reason for you to send her? Sister, I know. But let me tell you, Uju will not be under my roof and disrespect me. It won't happen. Uju, my sister, do you know the one that broke me completely? Uju stole from somebody that is highly connected in this society. Can you imagine that? If this girl, the shame that she brought on me. And you said I shouldn't have sent her away. Sister, I know. I know Uju to be a wild and stubborn girl. I know. She's still your child. You still need to accommodate her, but not sending her away. When it's like this, you call me. In fact, I will talk to her. See, we have to go and look for Uju. I call you. If her uncles hear that you sent her away and anything happens to her, you will be blamed. They will not take it lightly with you. Chalugodi, I should have called you to come and talk to her. And you think Uju is one wonderful human being on this planet Earth that will listen to you or anybody? Or you think Uju is somebody that will work with anything that anybody tells her that will make Uju to change her mind or change her ways? Well, that's what you should have done. You should have called me to talk to her. You should have. You are here now. I'm telling you. The first day you came, what happened? Don't you see the way she disrespected you and walked out on you? Is it the Uju, like you said, is wild. Sending her away is not the best option. You made a very gross mistake. I didn't make any mistake. Let her go out there and see how the world looks like. Please stop blaming me. The very first day you came here, didn't you see what she displayed? She talked back at me, insulted you, called you what was charlatan, and walked out on you. And now you said I should have called you.
This man is very rich. You need to see this man. Hey!
Bro, why are you telling me this now? How is my business? How is that my business?
it seems you do not understand what I just said. This man is strikingly rich, wealthy. As na nwoke ji ife o ji ife. Abia gwagodoro ya eziokwu.
Oh, really?
Nne, you need to give him chance. Get married to him. And we enjoy.
If this man is rich, he's in his pocket. He's not in my pocket. Mama, please. Have you forgotten I just lost my job? And you're telling me about marriage? To go and enter a man's house for now? Never. Mama, I need to make my own money. Yes, I need to make my own money. In case if the man comes for drama, near drama. Money has to be made first before I enter marriage. Anyhow you want it. You try in a court, no dear. You try in a court, no dear. Anyhow you want it, I'll give it to you.
I tell you, I was not paid. Eh? That's more reason you have to give him the chance.
Oh, really?
Look at the way your mouth is done. I give you a chance. I give you a chance. I've got to deal with it. What is wrong with you?
Mama, sorry to say that's why you're like this. Because you did not use your time well. Yes, because you didn't plan yourself well. You have to use your time well. Mama, as a woman, before you enter into marriage, you have to be financially independent. Yes, I said what I said, Mama. Sorry. I need to make my own money. I need to hustle out. I need to hustle. You're telling me this because I lost my job. No problem. But I'm going out there to make my money than to stay here and listen to what you're saying. Mama, please, please, I don't need that now. I tell you,
idea will come on. You just insulted me. You say, look at the way I look. Eh?
Mama, sorry. But I'm stating the obvious. Eh? I told you the truth now, Mama. I told you the truth. Mama, please, there is no time. I need to go and make money. Eh?
And where are you going to?
Mama, I'm going out. I'm going to the world. You heard? I'm going to the streets. You heard when I said it? That I'm going to become financially independent.
Meaning?
Meaning, financial woman. That is who I want to be. Mama, I'll see you. Leave me alone. Every time is marriage everything. You that married, the neck all the guitar you chill kuyam noko. Mama, I don't have anything that you get kuyam noko. Leave me alone.
What can you cook?
Allow me to go and hold you. You're telling me
Mama.
My dear, I got a contact that was able to tell me where he stays and how we can be able to track him.
So you are suggesting we confront him face to face?
Yes, not just confronting him face to face. It's very simple. All we need to do is to disguise our look, go into the clubhouse and all the ballrooms, wherever he stays, and trust me, he won't be able to get his eyes off us.
Oh, really?
And then we'll get back into his house.
That sounds like a plan then.
Yes.
Girls, I have this makeup artist. The girl is so good. When I mean good, she is so good. She's going to make us up. And after that, I promise you, no one will recognize us again.
Very nice. So it's almost 50% done, since you have a makeup artist. Yeah. Then the plan is almost done.
I'm getting more.
We need to get our money. Yes. We are not going to let Ekene go with our money just like that.
My father cannot die in vain.
So for a whole week, this was the only sales you made. By the end of the month now, you expect me to pay you. I don't know from where exactly I'll be getting money to pay you. This is a very poor sale. End of the month, this up work I don't know what exactly I'll be paying you for.
Ma, I'm sorry, but the customers weren't forthcoming.
How will they come when you and Donine, all you do is to gossip? Without observing the faces of the customers, whether they're dissatisfied with your services. Such a huge failure.
Ma, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, ma.
If you say that thing again, I'll send you out of this place. Are you mad? It is obvious the ones are sacked were the ones attracting the customers to the shop. Yes!
Ma.
I thought you would match. In fact, you're a complete mismatch. You're not good with anything or at anything. Even the gossips you gossip, your informations are always half. It's like, madam, you should have observed.
Hey, Mama was trying to inform me about
Shut up. Shut up. Get out.
Ma,
Get out! Just get out!
Ma, I'm sorry. Sorry, waiting. Idiot. Big for nothing. One more word, honestly, I will arrest you. Idiot. Look at what she was able to say for a whole week. What is this? From here, you now ask me to bring money and pay you salary. Which salary? I will not pay. I will not pay. Rubbish.
I can't believe after all our efforts in that place, how Mercy thinks we are useless.
It is you that she thinks you are useless, not me.
What are you saying? What are you saying, Oninye? That one is about sacking us the way she sacked Tuju and her friends. If we don't come up with a better sales, can't you see it?
And it's because of your cho-cho-cho, that is why we are losing. If you have kept your mouth shut about tranting the police and all of that, I don't think we'll be in such mess. Because by now, there will be bubbling with customers. Obviously, they used to come there to watch at their pretty face.
What are you saying?
You know they are better than us. They are prettier than us. Tell yourself the truth. Be honest.
What are you saying, Onie? Why are you so unfair to yourself? Why? Why are you so unfair to yourself? Can't you see that woman doesn't see any effort to make in that place? Can't you see? She doesn't see any effort to make in that place.
Now, let me ask you. If you're Madam Gold Shoes, will you accept the poor sales we made last week? Will you?
Am I the customer that refused to come? No. That woman is not appreciative and I don't like her. I don't like it for her.
You talk too much.
I don't like it.
That is why we are facing this now.
She's not appreciative at all. I don't like it.
Ha!
See, you judging my sister. I shouldn't have sent her away. Honestly, I shouldn't have sent her away. I messed up big time. I messed up. Now, she's nowhere to be found. What will I tell her uncles? What will I tell her family?
Sister, don't worry. Don't worry. I told you about this. But you wouldn't listen. I know Uju is stubborn. But you shouldn't have sent her away. Now, I'm sure she's in this town.
You think so?
She is in this town, but she wouldn't want to show up. Now you've sent her away, she will become more wild wherever she is. See, sister, the best way to correct a child is not by sending him or her away. You need to bring her closer, talk sense into her. I believe she will understand that to send her away. Now see, it should be on your head though. Hi!
Uju, where are you now? You see what will happen now? If I see her, I will apologize. I will apologize. I know I messed up. But I was angry. Who wouldn't be angry? Which mother will not be angry that her child is misbehaving? Which mother?
I know, sister. It's okay. We'll look for her. Definitely we'll see her.
Uju, wherever you are, you better show up. Uju.
Hey!
Officer, don't give me that crap. You have to get those girls arrested immediately.
Young man, do not shout at me. Meanwhile, let this be first and last you call me out for a discussion in this matter. Wait until your father returns and find out why those girls were released.
My father is not going to do your job for you. You better do your job.
End of this discussion. Have a nice day.
Are you really working out on me? Really?
Good evening, ma.
Good evening, beautiful damsel. Where are you coming from?
Ma, I'm coming from the church. We're having our youth program service.
Oh, yes. Please, I want to ask you some questions. I will not waste much of your time, I promise.
Ma, I am innocent. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
I know you are innocent. I haven't accused you yet. Why the paranoia? Just calm down. Calm down.
Ma, I didn't do anything. I am innocent. Please let me go. I am a daughter of a poor farmer. Please, ma.
I understand you are different. I just want to ask you a few questions. Just calm down. Calm down, calm down, calm down.
Okay. Okay, ma, go ahead.
Okay.
Ooh, yo, baby. Yeah, you should walk in. Come on. Give me more drink. Give me more of your drink. Give me. Yo. Sip again. Sip. Ah, you love it, right? You know, baby. Yeah. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Joy. You know, fresh vegetable. Sip. Let me see. Yes.
You know what you did there with those girls? How they are miraculous got released.
You know nothing. Those orders came from above.
Oh, please. You are behind it. You influence it, isn't it? Those girls are guilty.
Clara, please, can you just let this go? Those girls are my friends.
We stand for justice in this department, Chike. You can't just wake up one morning and go against everything this department stood for. I decided to keep it cool with you, but it pains me to say this. You have allowed sentiment to take away your good judgment, Chike.
You know what, Clara? I don't want to talk about this anymore, okay? I'm done with this discussion.
I know that is what you are going to say. But let me tell you, I, Clara, will go to the root of this. Because the evidence is there. What I need is a witness and something stronger to prove my point.
Bravo. Well, I wish you good luck in your quest for justice. It's obvious you forgot a few years ago when I stood by your side consistently in this same department. And now I know where you stand. It's obvious and evident.
Chike, have a nice day. Okay, listen. You have to tie him up before you do something.
It's the rope. Don't waste my power. It's the rope. What the hell is the rope? Don't pass. You have come with this your joking poker attitude the game. Go. Pass out. Go. Give it to me. Tie the damn thing, even if it means tying the pennies. Tie it! Jesus! Guy, what are you guys doing? Tie the damn thing. Tie it yourself. Tie everything there. Tie it up. This is no time.
your call. Who I want pick up? Now that police guy dey come. Why you don't call the pick call again? Now that you don't matter, you go tell me no be love matter. Me, I won't make money. No be love matter. What?
Come on, forget what you do. I know what you're saying.
I go first kill him.
Now, let's say this.
Exactly what it looks like. Shut up! Will you shut up? So you, Kenneth? So you look us finished with all these things we carry for our chest, so you want to run us streets? No, now us you want to run streets, Abi? There, shut up! I won't tell you, say, now we dey run this town. No matter you want to, you won't get up. You won't show yourself so. You ain't crazy. You remain one block us for that place. You do anyhow, you snooze, I cut them off. Don't try me.
Don't.
Oga, shut up. This is where you see Nakbala be. Once I knock and hear everywhere don't boss, so no try me.
Where is our money? I don't have time.
Where that money?
Please.
Where the money, Oga? Where the money? You know what they do, please.
I'm sorry for what happened, okay?
Really?
Please, I beg you. Okay? Forgive me. It was the devil.
The devil.
Yes.
The devil killed you there. Wow. So it was the devil who told you to go and report us to the police and have us arrested for a job we already delivered to you, you this bastard, ungrateful bastard boy. Do you realize because of you my father died? You killed my father, yes you did. You, as I'm looking at you, I want to start stabbing you on the chest. You killed my father, bastard boy.
It's so...
Where is our money?
I'm not the only one that had the money. Oh. I shared it with your madam now. What's going on?
Which madam?
Madam Gold. I was thinking she was going to give you your share now.
Okay, now us, no, we are Madam Gold, I do business now. Listen, okay, listen to me. You are going to give us our money. And not just giving us our money, I am going to get a very sweet cinematic video. Yes, the one that you will be telling the world. In fact, you will tell them how we stole that watch, how you were able to swindle away with our money. Yes, you need to make a very clear video. Then you give us our money. Look at this time, because I don't trust you. So now, Madam God, people go still watch.
Set video.
My baby.
No time.
No, give up. Okay.
Oga, position.
I took the diamond watch from you people that I sent to go and steal it from my father. And I sold it and I shared it with Madam Gold. I didn't give you people your own share, that's why.
Say it well!
I did not give you people your own share. Your own share, that is why I'm here now.
Why are you talking like a fool? Talk like a man. When they look at me, talk!
I stole the money.
Yes. Repeat it again.
I stole the money with you people.
I will slap your desk. Come on! Say it well. You stole the money.
I stole the money.
Yes.
And I shared it with Madam Gold.
Nice one.
And she didn't give you your share. That's why you got me here.
Good. Very good. Nice one. Yes. Nice one. For now, we'll manage this one. Girls, let's bounce. Yes. We know where we go. Move it! Come and tell.
This boy, you need to lose this thing. You need to lose this thing.
The job is move it. Don't say you like fair man. There we go. You prick. Make the government the police contact.
But some people want to get everything before they die. Sure you want to get everything.
She approached me yesterday on my way home. The policewoman that came here to arrest Uju and the rest. She was trying to find out everything I know about them. And what did you tell her? I couldn't say much. I was afraid. Besides, I don't want to be in a police custody answering for what I don't know about. It's good the woman know they shouldn't be released just like that. Yes, of course, someone thinks like me. They are guilty of their crime and they should not be free just like that. But it's none of our business. And so it's none of your business, but it's my business because I'm going to go and report to that policewoman and give her all the information that she seeks about those girls because they are guilty. You know, at times I don't know if it's about justice or jealousy. Priscilla, can you let those girls out of your mind? Can you? How will you know? Because you're dumb. Smart.
Those girls drained me. They took everything from me. But I swear to God, when I find them, I'll kill each and every one of them. They fucked me up. I'm going to find them. And I'm going to kill them.
To pray, 'cause wolves are by the corner. Pray for God protection. For God to deliver you.
Ma, I was about coming to the police station to speak to you about something.
And?
My colleague Onye told me how you harassed her about the other girls.
Why do you want to do so? What do you want to get from me? Because I don't have anything to give you.
Ma, I want to give you all the information you need to know about them. And I don't need anything from you. I just want those girls to serve the punishment of their crime. And I know they're the one that stole the diamond wristwatch you'll be looking for.
Well, they are not in possession of the wristwatch, if that is what you are trying to say. We couldn't get it from them, showing they are not with it.
But I know who sent them.
Who?
Look at them. Look at them. Bloody bastards. I'll teach them a lesson.
What can I offer you?
Nothing, ma. I'm fine.
It's alright. I actually invited here to talk to you. You know, there are other businesses that I do that earn me the name that I'm gold. I get involved in other hustles. Maybe you think that stupid food you and Onye are cooking that is giving me the money. You both are not even good cooks. That is that I don't have need for the two of you anymore.
Hey, ma, please. We will improve. I promise you that, ma.
Shut up. You're such a big failure. You're not good at anything. That is why I'm giving you a better chance. That will help you work hard and earn big. That is the hustle the other girls will do and the rest are doing for me. If you're interested, I will bring you in. And you have the opportunity of staying with me for as long as you want.
You will
help your family, you better your life. You change this nonsense where?
Okay. What is that?
That was what Uju and her friends were doing for me before they decided to snitch me, to stab me in the back.
Ma, I promise you, those criminals don't know what's coming for them. I'm working in hand with the police.
The police?
No, ma. No.
If you know what is good for you, stay out of what does not concern you.
Yes, ma.
Anyway, the business is, the 3 we are doing for me is hook up.
What?
Hook up.
Ma. I don't know what to hook up.
You have not heard about it or you don't want to discuss about it?
Ma, I don't know at all.
Will you shut up and stop this your childishness? Are you mad or something? This is an opportunity for you to better your life, to earn big, to work and stop all this gossip and jealousy that's always berating your life. Is that what you want? I was thinking of giving you this opportunity so that your life can be better. And here you are playing with it.
I can't do.
You cannot do it. Then get out.
Hey, ma, I beg, I don't quit.
Leave my presence now.
Hey!
Look at the idiot I'm giving the opportunity to better her life. Big for nothing.
Yeah. Do you know where I can find those your girls? I mean those your girls, the contacts you give to me. Where can I find them? What? Hello? Hello? It was a planned deal. I'm going to fuck you up for doing this to me. I swear to God. I'll fuck you up.
Idiot! You mean she's the one that rejected you?
Yes. She's the idiot. Well, I'm wondering where she got all that money she's flaunting.
She must have stumbled on a deal with her friends. that loan them that so much money. Abi you want them to say their papa na Dangote?
Oscar, do you realize that people I'm talking about are mere restaurant workers? Eh? How would they make such a amount of money working inside a restaurant? Telling me they have stumped into what money?
So what do you think about her?
Good. For rejecting me, 1. For humiliating me, another 1. Stanley, I want to show her another side of me.
Yo, bro. What are you doing here?
What kind of person is that? I heard you were the one who ordered for the release of the girls.
And who are you to come stand before me?
Who am I?
Yeah, who are you?
It seems you've forgotten who you're talking to.
Yeah, of course I know who you are. You are the commissioner's son and also a thief.
You mad?
What do you want to do?
You mad?
Oh, you think we don't know everything, right? You think we don't know all that went on? Of course we do. I'm sure your dad will be so disappointed in you. You better be careful, okay?
I'll come for you.
You can't do anything. I'll treat your fuck up, I promise you.
I'll come for you.
You better be mindful.